In this tutorial, I am going to explain that how to create a PDF document. For this, you have to use the Office Lens app. For this, first you have to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, you search it Office Lens. Then this product will come Microsoft Office Lens. It is about 43 MB. Hardly it takes 5 to 10 depending on the internet speed. So you can download this app. It is just about 43 MB. I have already downloaded it. That's why it is coming direct the open option. Okay. So let me show you the option. This is called as Office Lens. In this, whatever you are writing the answers, this is especially for the class 9 to 12 that we have planned to take the descriptive test also. So after writing, what you have to do, after writing your answers, first you have to select this document option. Okay, document. So you have to take just a snap of this picture like this. Then it will give you the option for properly. You can just drag, and this particular you can use this all. Suppose any part that you don't want to copy, just like this margin you can adjust. Okay, and properly you can keep this. Whatever you want to keep it, you can keep it. Just click on confirm. Then don't press on done option. Then again click add new. You can similarly, whatever you have written the contents, okay, whatever you have written the contents, you one by one you take all the snaps of the answers, and after each snap it will give you the properly to adjust the area. Again click on confirm. So 2 pages already we have selected. Let us take the 3 pages, this third page also. So again the option it will give you. You can adjust it afterwards, right? Then confirm. See, 1 2 3, all the 3 documents. Now you have to click on this red button that is called as 3 document. It is there. Click on here. When we complete it, just press done button. After that there is option gallery, means pick JPG format it will come. You have to select the PDF format. This checkbox you have to take it PDF, and here you can write the name of your file. Suppose you are giving the SST test, so SST test, like that. Whatever the subject, you can just give your name also. First you have to type your name class like that, just like I am giving any name. Suppose Ajay, class 9th, subject name SST test or SST, whatever the exam that you can write down. Then after, what you have to do, save. So it will save in your file that you can easily share it. Okay, or you can directly save to your drive, or you can upload it in the file upload option of the Google form, right? So let me show you how to do it. You can just save to drive. So whatever your account is there, okay, whatever the suppose Bal Bharti account, you have to select it. Then after you can save this file. So in this way we can create one PDF file for any number of pages. Okay, so this is the method. In this exam, you will get 2 links. One link is for the objective type, and the second link is for the subjective. In the subjective question paper, you have to enter the name, class, that all the same thing, and all the questions will be there. You have to write the answers in the sheet, in the paper, and then you have to create a one PDF file using this app that I have explained, that is called Office Lens. So you will get one PDF file that you have to attach here. Here written upload your answer sheet here. Before uploading, create a single PDF file. Okay, so just click on add file. Here select files from your device. So it will open the file manager. You have to open the file manager of your mobile systems. all the PDF files, it is actually saved in the documents folder. So here is my documents folder, and then the Office Lens folder is there. Click on Office Lens. So I have created the Ajay Class 9 SST test. So whatever your file name you have given, you have to select that one properly. Click on OK. So it is 1.31 megabyte. Okay. Just click on the upload button. So now your PDF file is uploading. Means your answers are uploaded that you have written. Just click on the submit button. So in this way we can upload our response, that is a subjective question paper.